Okay, so here I have some nature scenes and showing the beauty of the area that I live in Louisiana. And I also have a little poem here that I want to give to you guys along with a video showing who Columbus encountered when he first arrived on our shores. Okay, this poem goes, treat the earth and all that dwells therein with respect. Remain close to the Great Spirit in all that you do. Show great respect for your fellow beings. Work together for the benefit of all mankind. Give assistance and kindness whenever needed. Do what you know to be right, but be careful not to fall into self-righteousness. Look after the well-being of mind and body. Dedicate share your efforts to the greater good. Be truthful and honest at all times, especially be truthful and honest with yourself. Take full responsibilities for your actions. And I translated that. It goes like this. Janine, ko akin, ake manika, koshi, wi atanti, ti Janine, koi hajo, oposta adista manin, tita akata, okanta, dita manika, wajinda, atowe atapa otati, aji Janine, manika utide ta bedoka, nan ite konda kein, okitan ta wanide, ta daide, hajo tatanji ibahan joika, da joshi opadeshi, okaji washinta, joika atanwi, kabinida ke wahoka, ajike atapa uda wadadistan min adakaye, okaji dita ita, ta Janine wida otasha kayeta di ide wi datashi wadakin min ta otasha kanshi ajidita sisi Oscar kadishi ushiti wakanta o atapa wakata te ke tatian hi wata howi na honti ta ti jani ke magi ho wata onian ke ini kokashi ta shinka aminke dita koketa wadikadanska wikonda tiashisha kehiyi wi mani ke halung mi juti pazeri kaye wita insta atanwi kaye wita non pe bedabeda ke wajita kaye yeta wita nanta pahiti nahon ditaho wadikadan ton kaye wi akan ke wajita kikashi yi wita nikashika koishi wi nante ipaho ke wajita nan ihide ti tatajani jonapetain ke hiyi wi ipaho kanike o atapa wakanta. Okay, that was a prayer in the ancestors' language, and just hope that you guys enjoy the views of the lake. This is where I grew up fishing and swimming, and just wanted to show everybody the area, how nice it is. So the next video I have coming up is going to show the skit about Columbus coming into the country and who the people he encountered and how he treated the people. They trusted him and told him about where the gold was in the jewelry and everything that they had, the natural resources, and how, he put them in chains, cut out their tongues, and pillaged the village, gave small parts to the people. It's a nice little skit, so I think you guys will enjoy it. All right, stay tuned.
Thank God finally some new people are here. It's a change of pace. My people are always bothering me to go hunting and pick berries. I just want to sleep. Just give me some time for myself so I can take a good nap.
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna go say hi. Make them feel welcome.
Stick him some food.
That's a great idea.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, look who disagrees.
I don't like new people. I really don't like strangers. You know, they say it takes 6 new moons to really get to know a person.
Yo, dang, girl. Why always being so negative, huh? This could be the best thing that ever happened to us. We just met Columbus. He's so dope. He gave me a new nickname, Slave. I don't know what it means. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, he just gave us all this stuff. Like later on, we're gonna pay him back. We're gonna show him how to hunt and gather. Oh, and such a nice guy. He kept asking me about my 12-year-old sister, like over and over and over again. I mean, new friend alert.
Columbus said I could be an explorer just like him. And when I look into those deep blue eyes, I don't know, man. I feel like I'm home.
Let me tell y'all something. I love me some Latin man. How do you know you've never met one? Well, the medicine woman said I would meet someone from afar. Just a prophecy coming true?
Yeah, well, the medicine woman told me my husband Broken Branch was gonna be back last winter. Still wait. He's been so sick ever since Columbus sneezed on him. He should be good though.
Hey, Juan Marcos, hand me one of those. They're handing out free blankets.
How are you supposed to trust somebody when they ask you for a list of your natural resources? What kind of question is that?
I told him everything. I said we got diamonds, we got rubies, we got water, we got spices, we got pearls. I mean, that's what friends are for, right? Who do we appreciate? Columbus! Columbus! Yay, Columbus! I was starting to think that slave means something totally different. Columbus cut out his tongue. I'm starting to think he's a douchebag. You're right. He's a dick.
I thought this blanket was gonna help me stay warm. But I'm freezing to death.
I discovered a few things I don't like about foreign men, like surprise sodomy. I mean, it's just some things you gotta ease into, like my love and my anus.
Look, things are just a little messed up between us and Columbus right now, okay? But I think that if we just listen to him and do what he says, then everything will be okay. You know, it's just a little manual labor, okay? You guys don't know him like I know him, all right? He's a good guy.
No, baby, no! Dead baby!
So, we're moving. Columbus pillaged all our natural resources and took back all the gold. He's a Spanish giver.
I don't want to be that girl, but I told y'all.
Oh, God, why are you always so negative? Look, history is going to paint Columbus in a negative light, okay? Columbus Day will forever be remembered as a genocide. Ah.